Hey guys, now this one I will attempt to upload as soon as I get to a motel. Here I am. I think I've got really good Nikon footage for you, a lot of photos. This is the main view that everybody talks about, but for some reason I seem to think that the better view is on the other side. Falling water. So it's about time now. I packed my cameras up, sit here and chill, and I don't know how long I don't know what time it is. I think they close in a half hour. I've been here over my hour by getting here early. I think I've been here an hour and a half, so they close in like half hour. And yeah, I'm gonna pack my cameras up now. There's no more pictures to take. I've been through the whole place. I did live on Facebook. I don't have Messenger on my phone, so I can't add you to see those videos if you send me a friend request unless I'm at home already. I'm in heaven. All right. I wish somebody was here with me. Most of you that I talk to on a regular basis. But all of you, or any one of you, right here, right now, would make this 100 times better, and it's already at the top of the list of things I've done in my life. Peace out. God bless.